Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into the house of Memo Paris. What's a Memo? Ah, look at that shimmer. Look at that glint. Look at that light. All right. Bam. Let's get straight into this. So, we are looking at, hopefully these are on the same order. Yes, they are. Honey Flower. Honey Flowers. This is Isla do Mel. Oh, wait, no. No. That's not right. Hold on. 1 second. Technical issues here. Yeah. This is where we're at. We're looking at Madurai. There it is. Madurai. All right. Mad Jasmine. Bam. All right, let's read what we got here. A memory of India, steeped in rich, airy fragrance of jasmine sambac. And the creamier scent of sandalwood is what guided the composition of Madurai. A fragrance that stirs the sense of vibrant notes of citrus and turmeric, like the colorful market stall. All right, I've never been to India, not yet. So this seems like it may be a transportive fragrance. So let's see if it can draw vivid imageries. And I can connect it with stuff I've seen on TV, right? Because that's what we do in America. All right, so, okay, so these atomizers are not great. I'm guessing that's enough because a lot kind of came out there. So we have, okay. We have white floral, aromatic, fruity, warm spice, powdery, tuberose. I love me some tuberose. Sweet, floral, woody, and fresh spice. All right, and yeah, that's about right. You got in the top notes. You got jasmine sambac, Indian jasmine, Egyptian jasmine, peaches, Indian tuberose, marigold, turmeric, clary sage, suede, Australian sandalwood, and Sicilian bergamot. And it doesn't delineate notes. It just says all of those. This smells, this is definitely more feminine. And I would say it's a peaches and jasmine mix. That's all I'm getting. And I'm getting a lot of peaches. Like, this is a high quality fragrance. Simple, clean, fresh, one note. It is what it is a high quality jasmine peach fragrance. There's not a whole lot else going on here. That's not a bad thing, not a good thing. I think this would be great on a woman. I could see you wearing this in not really in the winter, but definitely spring into your colder fall, your cooler fall. But in the summertime, I think this would like be Herculean. Like, I think it would like really garner a lot of strength from being in warmer temperature. Yeah. I mean, it's a very juicy peach too. Like, it's not. I reviewed a peach from Mancera, and not to hate on them or nothing. And that's a nice peach. I think it's in the juicy flower. I think there's peach in there. It's more of a harsh peach comparative to this. This is a real juicy, luscious, like I can almost feel the fuzz of the peach. Like, that's how vivid this peach is. As far as Indian markets go, like, I'm not getting any of that. I imagine the turmeric being more, the sandalwood, I imagine those playing a little bit more. But, whoa. Okay, there's a creaminess in the sandalwood that's coming forward. So it's changing over time a little bit. That's great. Still, I mean, everything I said is, locked in. It's still feminine, still, that time of the year or whatever. I think this would be a great gift for somebody who is interested in fragrances. If somebody is interested in fragrance and you buy them this, I think they would want to know more about quality fragrances, because this is very simple. It smells like what it is. But again, you can throw a football, but that don't mean you're gonna throw a football like Tom Brady. You know what I'm saying? Like let's be clear. So yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I could see gifting this. This is nice. Like, and you know, this, I think that's a new thing for me. Like a new experience. Like something smelling so good, I'd want to gift it. That's you know, because they would appreciate it. I've bought fragrances for other people that I think they would like. But this would be like, oh, like you need to experience high quality fragrances. Here, try this out. It wouldn't work for me, but it will work for you. Yeah, great. Well done. Madurai. Or Madurai. Something like that. That is it. Let me know what you guys think of Memo Paris. I love the maps and everything has tonality to it. Well done, man. This is great presentation. Great presentation. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Join the Accord. I have a newsletter that comes out, summarizes a lot of things that happened in the month, different, you know, factions. There's people that are putting stuff out and all that stuff. It's a good time. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.